What's up guys, today we're going to change the accessory drive belt on this 2018 Camry, but this should work on any 8th generation. And you probably want to do this on a cold engine. These are the majority of tools we're going to be using. A long 14mm wrench, long reach pliers, and an Allen wrench. Here's the new accessory drive belt, and you want to replace this every 4 to 7 years, about 60 to 100,000 miles. I disconnected the negative battery terminal. I took the wheel and the splash guard off. You don't have to do this, I'm just doing this to give you a better view. Okay, from the top you got your alternator and your tensioner. And from the bottom your AC compressor and your crankshaft. Now I'm going to get an Allen wrench. You want to choose one that's not so long, and I'm going to put it in the tensioner. I put the Allen wrench in the tensioner, and now I'm going to loosen the belt and push in the Allen key. It also helps to use these long reach pliers to get the Allen wrench in. So like that. Now I'm going to remove the belt. Now that your belt's off, you want to check your pulleys and listen for any strange noises, and replace them accordingly. If you're doing this alone, what I usually do is I put painter's tape on the crankshaft just to hold it in place while I tighten the tensioner, but don't forget to take it off. I slipped on the new belt. Now I'm going to remove the Allen wrench. Now double check your accessory drive belt and all the pulleys. And the ones on the bottom. I connected the negative battery terminal. I'm going to start the car. If anything sounds funny, I'm going to turn it off immediately. This is the old accessory drive belt, and it still looks good. Serpentine belts need to be replaced if it has more than 3 cracks in any one rib that appear in a 3-inch span. Now I'm going to get a damp paper towel and wipe it down. And I'll probably do that a couple times and put it back in the box. And throw it in the trunk for emergencies. Alright guys, I guess we're done. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.